In this video, you will learn how to successfully sell thrift items on eBay. This guide will take you through sourcing quality items, preparing your listings, and fulfilling orders professionally. By following these steps, you can maximize your profit and streamline your selling process. Begin by sourcing quality thrift items. Visit thrift stores regularly to search for branded or valuable items that have a good resale potential. As you browse, inspect each item carefully for any stains, cracks, missing parts, or excessive wear. These factors can significantly affect the item's resale value. To ensure you are making a wise investment, check sold listings on eBay to confirm the demand and typical selling price. Focus on items that will give you strong profit margins after accounting for fees and shipping costs. Avoid purchasing low-demand products, even if they are inexpensive, as these will take longer to sell and may tie up your inventory. Next, prepare and list your items on eBay. Start by cleaning or repairing the items to ensure they look presentable. This will help attract potential buyers. When you are ready to photograph the items, use good lighting and a neutral background to capture clear images that showcase the details effectively. After taking the photos, write accurate descriptions that honestly mention the condition and any flaws. This transparency builds trust with buyers. Incorporate searchable keywords into your title to enhance visibility during searches. Set competitive prices based on recent sale data to appeal to buyers. And finally, publish the listing after reviewing all details to ensure accuracy. The next step involves fulfilling orders professionally. Check your eBay account daily for any new orders or messages from buyers. Prompt responses can enhance customer satisfaction. When you receive an order, pack the sold items carefully using protective wrapping to prevent any damage during shipping. After packing, print the shipping label directly from the order page and attach it securely to the package. Make sure to ship the item within the handling time you specified in your listing to maintain your seller ratings. If required, upload tracking information so buyers can monitor their delivery. It is also wise to keep records of the transaction until it is fully completed. As you engage with the selling process, remember that the quality of your items and your professionalism in handling orders can significantly influence your success on eBay. Regularly reviewing your inventory and adapting your sourcing strategy based on current market trends can further enhance your sales. Additionally, consider the implications of storage space for your items, as well as the impact of internet speed on listing and order fulfillment processes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.